Akala ko marami na akong alam tungkol kay Rizal. I read about his grades, his courses, his pastimes, his passions. Pero Jose Rizal continues to amaze me. Let's talk about Rizal and music. I am Mona Magnovelus. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Let's imagine Jose Rizal in Paris. He hangs out with ultra-rich people like the Pardo de Tavera family, Juan and Antonio Luna, Felix Resurrection Hidalgo, Valentin Ventura, and other cosmopolitan friends. His biographer Rafael Palma wrote that Rizal noticed that the other Filipinos played some kind of musical instrument. At ayaw niya magpa-out of place. Kahit hindi siya natural na musician, Rizal willed himself to learn music. He picked up the flute, piano, and even tried voice lessons. Galikano Apasible, his friend since they were teenagers, recalled na nahihirapan si Rizal kahit magham o sumipol man lang. Kapag ginawa niya, sintunado daw si Pepe. Finally, nakahanap tayo ng field na hindi nag-e-excel si Rizal. So, bumili si Rizal ng flute, malamang sa Europe. Ang instrumentong ito ay isang Nachmayer flute, meaning it was made in the style of the renowned flute maker Heinrich Friedrich Mayer of Hanover, Germany, manufactured approximately in the 1880s. Ginamit ni Rizal yung flute niya mga 1887. Gawa ito sa rosewood na may nickel bands and keys. May 3 bahagi na kinoconnect, head joint, body, and foot joint. Hindi siya fancy na ivory o silver, kundi isang workhorse flute na pang-practice at pang-aliw lang. Para kay Rizal, music was an act of the will, another language he had to conquer, perhaps a way for him to fit in. Walang case yung flute, nakalagay lang sa cardboard box ng medyas. It included a homemade cloth sleeve. Simple, frugal, utilitarian. Pagkatapos ng execution ni Rizal, napunta ang flute sa pangatlong kapatid niya na si Narcisa Rizal at kalaunan sa anak nitong si Dr. Leoncio Lopez Rizal. The flute was documented in the Pictorial Album on Rizal, an inventory of Rizal artifacts published by the Rizal Centennial Commission in 1961. This fascinating piece of history will go under the hammer at Leon Gallery's spectacular mid-year auction on June 13, Saturday. Na-curious ako, technically, di ba the flute contains Jose Rizal's dried up DNA? Kung curious din kayo, Leon Gallery's preview week starts on June 6. Makiusi kayo. So ano ngayon kung may flute si Rizal? Given what we know of Lolo Pepe, the breadth and depth of what he studied in his short life, this flute sings volumes of the kind of man he was. Kahit hindi siya gifted sa musika, he persevered. His study of music tells us about his will to learn, his courage to try something he will be bad at, and his mindfulness to spend time taking in simple joys. Sana all. O diba?
Meow meow.